I've had to experience my mum having very extreme menopause symptoms, you know, from boiling at night to, you know, feeling, really quite distressed by it all, really, to be honest. And it did give me a big wake-up call because I started to research into this. And because I work in the natural health and wellness arena, I really wanted to learn what was really going to work for her and help her in that process. We're all going to go through into the menopause and everyone experiences it differently. So some might get really intense hot flushes and others can have really mild symptoms. This is a really important time to start thinking about eating the right foods, not foods to lose weight, not foods for like some crazy extreme diet, but really looking at eating nutritious, whole food diet that's going to really nourish your body at this time of life. So it's about what foods can I eat that are going to support my bone health, that's going to support my overall gut health, my hormone health, because all these elements are important. Where can you add extra nutrition in? Can you add some seeds? Can you add some flax seeds in? Can you put some like nice whole grain oats in there? All these things are so important to look at. I have, done things like reduce my alcohol intake greatly. I'm eating a lot more foods that have got essential fatty acids in. It's feeding your mind and your body so overall you feel better mentally and physically and prepare you for your day and for the next phase of your life.